Okay, I just had to shoot a little video. I just saw this place on the side of the road. This is right out of Abingdon, Virginia. This place just opened up. It's called the Auto Barn. Look at how big this place is. They're just getting started. Classic car auctions. They got a lot of nice newer model stuff in the parking lot. I'll finish and go out there, but look at this collection they got going on here. All for sale. Man, you never know what you're gonna find on an old country road. Look at that. God, dog. Abingdon, Virginia is not too far away from Bristol. This is right off of Highway 81. Wow. I've got a 64.5 convertible Mustang that I came in here to talk to him about. Look at this. This would definitely be the right place to sell it. That is a sweet old T-Bird. Man. I love Thunderbirds. I'd rather have this Thunderbird than that Mustang. Man, are you kidding me? God, dog. I want that car right there. This place is great. Holy cow. I would float this baby too. Old Continental. Shoot. I would float that thing all day. Nice Riviera. I don't like that green too much, but man, this place is awesome. Look at this Buick. That's, huh. Man, dreamy. God, dog. Jeez. Look at this Fairlane. What? God, my camera is not doing it any justice. 1957. Look at that thing. I mean, it is clean. Is. What the heck is going on? It's ridiculous. Give me a break. That's a nice bet. Now, I actually had, it's a 63 or 64, 61. I had a 60, I think I had a 63. It had these round tail lights, little rocket ship. Another T-Bird. Yeah, this one should be 63. Yep, those little stripes right there is what gives it away. Look at that molded back piece there. Oh, it's like a rocket ship. Wow. Man, this is a heck of a collection.
It is. You know, most collections, you'll see all GMs or Fords or Chryslers or whatever, but we got anything from a MGA to a Ferrari 458 Italian, anything in between.
What's the price on this Thunderbird over here?
Only a select few of these are offered for sale.
Oh.
That one is offered for sale. I think it's $39.
Uh-huh.
The Oldsmobile Starfire, the Buick beside, or the Lincoln beside of it's offered for sale. The 56 is offered for sale.
Yep.
But that one is not one of them.
Man, I like that.
That's a good looking car.
God, I love the interior colors on that.
You know, the T-Bird back in its day, that was, you know, the luxury sports car.
Oh yeah, I had a '63 hardtop T-Bird for a while, and loved that style too. But that's just the total package right there.
Now, did yours have the easy entry steering wheel?
It did.
Yeah.
Isn't that something? But this, God, I want this car. I just love that interior, that whole layout. Man.
Yeah. The color just pops on this.
Oh, man. What do you reckon that would be?
I'd say if this car, I'd say it would be, I'm going to say 50-ish.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, 50-ish.
Yeah. Yep. So how long y'all been open here?
We had our grand opening, it'll be 3 weeks ago Saturday.
Man, I bet you're gonna have a busy summer.
I hope so. We have, we got our high-end luxury cars out there
Yeah.
for sale. We got some of the classics. We got some of the antiques in here for sale.
Just as an attraction, people will be coming by. Are all three of these over here for sale?
Everything in that room's for sale.
Yeah.
And you can't sit. There's a little MGB on the other side of that BMW convertible over there.
Yep. I'll put this little video out there. I got a pretty good little YouTube channel, but these kind of things, if you wanted to get more traffic, then you wanted to get somebody to shoot a YouTube video on each one of these cars, just for the archive purposes alone.
Right.
You know? God,
Well,
this thing is...
The car barn. That's what we call it.
The car barn.
Excellent.
This thing is awesome.
Look at the engine in that.
Wow.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say it's probably one of a kind.
Man, I would say so. What is it?
73 Camaro Z28, 454 built, big block. Underneath is as clean as on top.
Whew.
Total custom.
Yeah, and what's that going for?
It is priced at $85,000.
And you know, I think that's a fair price.
It's no telling how much money's been spent on the chrome, just on the engine.
Yeah. And listen, there's so much money being shoveled around right now.
You know, these cars, they're really an investment.
Sure.
You buy one, keep it, 2 years, 5 years, you're not going to lose any money. You're probably going to make a chunk.
Well, even as just a hedge on inflation, which is coming.
Yeah, you're right there. We got a nice little MGB over there, 67 model. Be a fun car, wouldn't break the bank. It's only 16.9.
Yeah.
Right.
Be a nice little Sunday drive. I bet you this thing's real fun on some turns around here. 16.5, yeah. For something that cool and that clean.
It'd be good in Charleston. You can ride it year round.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, that is a good deal. Well, and it looks like everything you got here is turnkey too.
We hope so.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
03 anniversary Corvette. I think it's got like 62,000 miles on it.
You know, if I was a Gamecocks fan, I might want it, but I've never liked a burgundy car.
They don't call that official burgundy. In 03, that was a special color just for the anniversary car.
Some kind of wine or something.
Magnetic. I can't remember exactly what they called it. They got some fancy names.
I think I'm going to get that Mustang delivered to Charleston and fix it up and all that. But when it comes time one day, I'll give you guys a shout.
Yeah, please do.
We'll see.
I'll
I'll
give
get
you
it.
one of my cards.
Yeah, please. Man.
Let me give you one of his.
Guys, I can tell y'all are doing something cool here.
Well, thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. What's your name?
Tom,
All right, Tom.
good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, and thank you for stopping in.
I'm telling some people about this place.
If you, if you get your car and you want to put it up here on consignment, you see
Yeah.
what it's about.
Well, yeah, and like I said, I'd want to get it running and cruise to a couple of ice cream runs or something, and but
you're going to get that thing running. You're going to be down there in Charleston. You're going to enjoy it so much. You're going to keep it forever and always.
I might.
Would be a nice place to have one down here. We were talking about that earlier today, wasn't it?
There's a lot of good cruise-ins all within a 2-hour drive of there.
Right.
There's a bunch of good cruise-ins down there. Yeah.
And the weather's, you could use it top down year round almost.
Almost. Well, let me tell you, the summertime you'd be cooked up like a sausage.
Yeah, that's true.
You'd rather be up here in the summer.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate the time. The Auto Barn. A nice little assortment of quality cars out here, too. Yeah. Come check out the Auto Barn. I mean, these guys did a good job here. They really cleaned up this building. Zoom in on this sign. Car barn. Real nice fellas. There's their information right there. Come check this place out. Anyway, like the video, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.